Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Sugatsune part number ESO-6732/WHT. This is a adjustable knuckle catch, they call it. Let's take a closer look at that item. Remove it from the packaging. This is adjustable, meaning you can, via a screw, adjust the force required to hold open, they state, even the heaviest door or panel. That's what the system looks like when it's obviously connected. Let's take some basic dimensional properties and then we will study how that adjustability works. You know, they don't give us an answer of what portion goes on the door or what portion goes on the frame or the wall. You know, this is typically what you're going to find in terms of a wall or a door portion. Pardon me, a wall portion. This would be normally what I would see on the door itself. No hard and fast rule about that at all, but the strike, if this would be called the strike, I would typically see that mounted onto the door. So let's take some basic dimensional properties. If we're going to establish that this is the wall portion, overall width, about 2 5/8. Overall height, about 15/16 or 31/32. Overall projection, looks like it's about 1 1/8 inches. If we've established this as the door portion, overall about 2 1/4, with a width, again about 31/32. Projection, about 1 1/4 inches. Okay, let's grab a screwdriver and see how that adjustment works. Okay, with screwdriver in hand, I can tell you that pinching this together doesn't really happen. You can do it a little bit, but not very much. As I loosen this screw, I've turned that probably 6 times. It certainly gets more flexible. Okay, that is certainly going to permit a lessened amount of force to hold that together, even though it's difficult to really gauge doing it by hand. It is quite obvious that this will compress a lot easier than when we have this tightened down. Okay, it just doesn't move nearly as much. I don't know what the holding forces are for this, but they indicate it to be for the heaviest of panels. I would think that it will certainly operate reliably to keep simply something stationary. Okay, very light, weighs about 0.08 pound, so not much to it. Does not include fasteners, so be sure I'd probably be looking at some number 8 pan head screws for this. That's what I might try. You might fit a number 10 in there, but I'd be going with a number 8. You can see that they're slightly oval so that you'll be able to make some final adjustments on the unit. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Sugatsune products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the Sugatsune? This is their part number ESO-6732/white, and I also understand it's available in BLK for black as well, which is also on our site. Or any other Sugatsune product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.